Greetings everyone, my name is Alila Wekoto. I'm the Technical Business Development at Usiku Games. We're the creators of Gumzo video conferencing platform. So in this video I'm going to take you through the, tips as it relates to video calls. So we've called this video the video call tips, how to optimize attendee experience. So the aim of this video is, ideally you're an attendee or you're a host for meetings, and you're trying to find out how you can enhance the experience for your attendees, but also these tips that we're about to give will also make sense if you're an attendee and you just want to get some tips on how you can enhance your video call experience and the video call experience for the other people who are in video calls from you. The idea behind this, like a more deeper idea, is that we're in the age of the pandemic. It's 2020, where we're all working remotely, or at least most of us. How can we kind of enhance this experience so that we can continue to be productive while we're working from home? So we're gonna do this talk in this video in a divided fashion. So we're gonna first take a look at the soft tips. So by soft tips we mean I mean that we're going to take a look at things like your background setting, kind of etiquette, good practices, best practices in terms of, what do you do while you're in a meeting, what do you not do. And we also have some good data from a survey that we did, real kind of data that we got from the population. We asked the question, what if you're a host, someone enters the meeting 30 minutes late, it's a 1 hour meeting, what would you do? So we got live data from our survey. I did a survey, and I'm going to share that with you in a few. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, so we're going to take a look at soft tips and best practices in terms of just what do you do, what do you not do while you're in a meeting. Then we're going to take a look at hardware equipment in terms of audio. You can see I've got my wireless earphones on. We're going to take a look at audio, so you can also see I've got my microphone on. We're going to take a look at camera and video tips. We're going to take a look at some devices and equipment. And we're also going to take a look at lighting. Lighting is very important. You can see in this exact position and situation that I'm in, there's a certain way that I've made sure that lighting is something that can enhance and not take away from the experience for you as a viewer. So yeah, that should be the video, and I'm looking forward to you enjoying the video and taking some things away. Thanks so much.